Hey everyone, my name is Malti. I'm the founder of NUVIZ. NUVIZ is an augmented reality company for high-speed applications. With our first product, we're going to revolutionize the motorcycle experience by bringing head-up display technology to the market. As you can imagine, motorcycling is not the safest sport. There are thousands and thousands of very dangerous accidents. Some of them are fatal. I know this firsthand. Looking away from the road, down to your handlebars, down to instrument cluster, down to your navigation system or your smartphone installed on the handlebar is dangerous. I've almost been in accidents due to that fact. So we're trying to make motorcycling safer, more connected, and more exhilarating with our technology. For that reason, we've invented a head-up display that brings all of the information that matter to you as a rider into your field of view. With our device, you can see all the information floating in front of you. It's perceived at 50 meters, so there's no refocusing from down the road to the information that matter to you in your field of view. Of course, our user interface is extremely simplistic, minimalistic. We're not showing Facebook notifications or YouTube videos while you're on the bike, so it's safe. And our team has actually developed head-up displays for military applications, Air Force applications. So we know what we're doing and how to create a UI and UX that is safe for the motorcyclist. Of course, we want to bring this innovation to as many riders as possible out there. And you can only achieve that by making it a device that mounts onto all of the existing helmets that are out in the market. There are millions and millions of riders out there. A lot of them have actually 2 or 3 or 4 helmets. So with our technology, you mount it onto your existing helmet, similar to a GoPro camera, and the device can be interchangeable from helmet to helmet, and also not just from your motorcycle helmet. If you want to take your Porsche on a racetrack, you can also put it on your car helmet or other applications. So in addition to the innovation and the patent pending and patent applied technology, we're also building a software platform that allows the rider to connect with other riders and really build a motorcycle community similar to what you see in the cycling and running space from Strava or Runtastic. It's all about bringing this highly connected, enthusiastic industry into the digital space and combining them and connecting them online. So why should you invest in NUVIZ at the moment? First of all, you're in good company. Our current 1.5 million convertible note round is backed by VCs, angel investors, as well as the Agency for Innovation in Finland, Tekis. We have proven customer demand. Motorcyclists are waiting for the technology. They're really excited about this. This has also been showcased by the demand that we have experienced from the retailers as well as distributors, not just in the US, but globally. We have established relationships with leading motorcycle OEMs as well as tier ones. Harley-Davidson, for example, is one of the partners that we have that will further increase our reach globally. Most importantly, we have an amazing team. At the moment, over 30 engineers. Some of the guys are based in the US. The rest of the team is based in Finland, all ex-Nokia and Microsoft engineers that have successfully commercialized dozens and dozens of products in this space. So we're really have a rock star team together that is now launching the product later this year.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you very much. Now, well, another funny guy.
Okay.
So a usual question, how much does it cost? What are,
for the consumer?
yes.
Our target price in the US is $649 US. Price for Europe is still TBD, but it's in a similar range.
Okay. And how long does the battery last?
Runtime right now is 3 to 4 hours, but of course the battery is replaceable, rechargeable, and we're also somewhat mimicking the GoPro model where of course we make a lot of money on accessories such as batteries, different clips for the helmet, different accessories for the bike, connectivity and Bluetooth connectors from the motorcycle to the helmet itself. So it's an array of accessories that will complement the hardware sales itself.
You should get in touch with the skeleton guys.
Yeah.
How is the competition for this market?
Of course, it wouldn't be a good sign if there's no competition in this space. There's one company in the US, also a startup, that's trying to integrate the electronics and optics into their own helmet shell. Of course, with that approach, they're becoming a helmet manufacturer, competing in a very fragmented and busy space. Our approach is aftermarket mountable, and that seems to be the better approach also, as showcased with Harley-Davidson and other partners that really believe in this technology.
Do you have any more questions? Maybe we have a question from the audience. Don't shy away. Okay. Oh, good. That's what I like.
You said you have connection with the helmet to the bike. Exactly how does it connect that?
Correct. So we have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on board, and the connectivity to the vehicle itself, as well as to your smartphone and other devices, is usually Bluetooth connected. So there's a lot of the all of the motorcycles have a ECU, and you can tap into that ECU with an additional adapter that then streams information to the helmet, such as RPM, speed, indicator lights of the bike itself. And that's really what the OEMs are interested in. The connected driving that you experience now in the car industry is really emerging also into the motorcycle space. So it's all about connectivity, syncing the bike with additional with your smartphone, as well as additional technologies like ours.
Okay. I believe we. Any more questions?
What's your legal liability in the U.S. based on the fact that somebody's accident while they're
Yeah, that's a good question. So of course, just like any other company, we do have product liability insurance, and of course all the legal disclaimers within the usage and before signing up on the app as well as the product. However, our goal and what our testing has showcased that it's actually making the sport safer. So it's the simplification of information and showing information that is already available to the rider, but now in a safer fashion. How do you control the head-up display? So there's a additional dongle that mounts onto the handlebar, and with that controller, you actually change the interface on the head-up display and trigger the camera feature and take calls, receive calls, and your navigation status, etc.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was NUVIZ.